I am trying to collect pepper seeds to plant next year. Do the seeds have to turn red? This is KC from Wynne, Arkansas. Do the seeds have to turn red?
Oh, no, it might be nice if the pepper was red, right? So,
Right.
you know, that would be a mature fruit.
Right.
Peppers can be a great crop to save seeds from. They tend to be predominantly self-pollinated, so there's less of a chance of cross-pollination. Now, we want to make sure they're an open-pollinated, might be an heirloom, you know, not a hybrid that we'd want to save those seeds from. So we want to make sure that the fruit is pretty mature. Oftentimes those, you know, seeds will be greenish, brown, you know, and we'll kind of scrape them out from the interior of that ripe fruit and let them dry a little bit, so they'd be unlikely to be red, probably.
Yeah, not red, but yeah, it'd be nice if the fruit is, it's red. I like that. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.